Guys, I'm legit a little bit nervous about today's video. You should see what Christopher just handed me. This entire bin, and everything is labeled with steps. I don't know if I should be impressed or terrified. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a video that has been very, very highly requested for years. And that is the husband buys my makeup challenge. And we decided to put a little spin on it as well. So not only did Chris buy all of my makeup, he bought it all from the drugstore, and he also made me a written out makeup tutorial to go along with it. It is my understanding that he sort of picked the order in which things have been applied to my face and also explained in writing why he picked out certain products and stuff. So this should be interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous. Step one is concealer, everyone. All right, that's a decent first step. What does it say in here? What product is that? Woo! Apply light dots under the eyes, then rub with fingers counterclockwise. It says counterclockwise right there. And it's emphasized. And bless his soul, he chose Hourglass, which is not drugstore, Christopher. And this is the Vanish Pink Flash, the highlight stick. Come on, Christopher. All right, so I'm gonna apply light dots under the eyes. Wait, I have to think about this. Which way is counterclockwise? Step number 2. We have a makeup remover. This is Covergirl Clean Makeup Remover. And it says here, quit goofing around with highlighter and wipe that off. You gotta get started on this look. I feel like other husbands didn't do this. They took it seriously. This is serious makeup. All right, so now we'll wipe it off. I'm gonna be honest, I have sent him on makeup excursions before. I would have thought that he knew for sure that this was from Sephora, so there we go. My phone is vibrating. I was just looking for it. Oh, he made it a step. He made my phone a step. I see what this video is gonna be. I get it now. All right, okay, I'm prepared. Step number 3 is eyeshadow. We are going to eyeshadow now. And I saw something blue. So he's included in this particular container the Revlon Photoready Primer Shadow Plus Sparkle. Looks like this. Take out these little sponge things. Useless. So this shade right here is apparently the primer, but it's just an eyeshadow, so I don't really understand, but all right. Anyway, that and the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. And his little explanation here says that this has a primer right in with the palette. Use numbers 2, 3, and 4, these ones right here, on the lids, and number 5 in the inner corner. Number 5, the sparkly one. I've included a spray for your brush to get max pigmentation, but be warned, the nozzle is really weak. Sarcasm is real today, everyone. This is what I get for having Christopher edit some of my videos. So I'm going to, how am I gonna do this? Okay, we're just gonna do a gradient effect. I'm gonna spray this. In case you're all wondering, this has the most insane nozzle ever, and it gets everything dripping wet. So you're gonna start with this light blue shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to the inner part, the inner third of the eyelid, I guess. Oh, this shadow does not like to be wet, everyone. Next, I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that on the inner part of the lid, and probably also basically the rest of the lid. Ooh, that is really pretty color. I mean, I wouldn't wear it like this, but I like the color. All right, now I'm gonna take this dark blue shade here. I'm gonna apply that to the outer corner and a little bit into the crease as well. Also, I just wanna say, I really like the fact that he said he chose this because it has a primer in it and then didn't use it at all. I know he didn't say into the crease at all, but I don't care. He didn't say not to apply it in the crease. And in case anyone is actually curious about these shadows, they are quite patchy. You see that big chunk right there? Cannot get that to blend. Man, these shadows are patchy. Then a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner. Boop. Next up, we have eyeliner. And we have 2 different eyeliners, blue, naturally. The 2 liners that Christopher chose, one is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Vivid Aqua, and then the other one is by NYX, and it's the Studio Liquid Liner in Extreme Sapphire. What reasoning did we choose for this today? All he said is L'Oreal on the lash line, and then NYX for the wing. Oh yes, I'm gonna crush this. That's actually a very pretty color. Not with this entire eye look, but the color, it's look at that blue. You know what? Kudos to Christopher. I wouldn't have thought to mix 2 different eyeliners in a wing look, you know? Trying something new, being creative. Oh, this liner is kind of chunky. That's fun. How do I look, everyone? Are you feeling this? Are you vibing with this whole look? Because I am. I don't even think my wings are even. Not that it really matters today. So now moving on to the next mascara. We have just one product today, everyone. Whew. This is the Almay Liquid Lash Extenders. Long for it. It's a lengthening tube technology. What does that even mean? I never tried this one before. It says it has tubes and fibers that like wrap around your lashes and extend them. Well, that sounds pretty exciting. And then he wrote, "Isn't this such a pretty package color?" I'm assuming editing Rachel is inserting the ominous music playing that's written down here because clearly they're working together. All right, let's see what a tube mascara looks like. Wow, this is a big letdown of a mascara. You see that, everyone? That's one coat. Doesn't look any different than my other eye. Gotta say, I'm not impressed with this mascara. I see no lengthening at all. They just look like slightly more black than they were before. Okay, the next up here we have is primer. So apparently this eye look is done, everyone. It is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. Ultra lightweight, skin perfecting primer, 8 hours makeup wear. I don't know, I've never tried this one before. And then he wrote on his little card that breathable is greater than not breathable. I guess in a perfect world, I do want my skin to breathe. The product almost look, I don't know if it's gonna show up on the screen, but it almost looks like a bluey gray. And I also just realized what he's doing with these colors. You're making them Oilers logos, aren't you? And in case anyone is not up to speed on the hockey world, the Edmonton Oilers logo is blue and orange. Anyway, it's Christopher's favorite team. I feel like we're gonna have a trend going with this makeup. You better not make my foundation orange. All right, and the next step is highlighter. Highlighter before powder. And we got the Physicians Formula Butter Highlight. This is their creamed powder highlighter in the shade Champagne. And my note says, I thought you'd enjoy smelling like a tropical paradise. You're right, I would. This shade is a little bit dark for me for highlight. Oh, but it does smell so good. Oh, I love it. Pop some into the inner corner of the eye. See what that does. Okie dokie, now on to the powder. And what do we have here today, everyone? The powder is the Joe Fresh one. If you guys don't know the joke behind this, you need to watch the video that I did with Adeline back in December. Chris was a tricky guy. He says it's as good as high end. Yeah, you're right. We thought this was Laura Mercier, everyone. And just in case anyone was wondering, he is reusing the one that is already in my collection, or he bought one that was used. Nope, he just took it from my collection, everyone. Gonna dust away all the excess. Whoop. And now on to the brows, and inside we have two different products. We have the Almay Brows On and On Peel Off Formula.
What?
I've never tried one of these peel off brow products before, but apparently you paint it on and then you peel it off to reveal a very natural looking tint to your brows. And he also included the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer with it as well, which is just a normal brow pencil, I hope. It is everyone, it's okay. And Christopher says it's like stickers for your makeup. Yep, yes it is. I mean, the sticker will leave behind a brown tint, but it is essentially the same thing. I like that he's basically picked all products that I've never even tried before. Well done, Christopher. You did your research. All right, so I'm gonna start by brushing my brows into place. And now let's go in with this paint stuff. Whoa, almost got it everywhere. So the brush looks like this. It has a very, very dark dye and it has a little brush tip applicator. And basically, where'd the packaging go? I need instructions for this. Okay, and the instructions say, apply a thick coat to brows, let it dry for 30 minutes? Who has time for this? And then gently peel away in direction of hair growth. How long lasting is this? What if I mess it up? Okay, too many questions. I just need to get into this. Oh my gosh, it's like putting chocolate syrup in my brows. This is so weird. I'm looking so good, guys. You don't even know. Is that a thick enough coat? Is that gonna peel off right? I hope so. All right, on to the other brow, everyone. At least because the brow product is so dark, I'll be able to tell if the brows are even. Okay, I feel like those are relatively even. Oh my gosh, I look hilarious. So it says here I have to wait 30 minutes to let this dry before I peel it off. I think I'm just gonna go on to the rest of the products because you know what? Blush is nowhere near my brows. It's fine. And the next product, blush, we have here a palette. This is from e.l.f. This is their light blush palette. I actually really like this one. See last week's video for more details. And he specifies here to use the bottom right pan only, which is this shade right here. I just realized he also scrawled on the package I don't know if you guys can see that. This blush is a little bit dark for the foundation color we chose, but that's fine. We got bronzer next, everyone. And for bronzer today, we have the Annabelle Perfect Bronze. And his note says, honestly, I don't know when or if you apply bronzer, so I guess just pop some on now. Technically, I would have put this on before the blush and the highlight, but you know, it does go on my face. I'm trying to be careful around the brows here, guys, as to not spread the product into my temples. All right, and now that we're a little bit more bronzified, we are going on to setting spray, apparently. And the one we're using today is by L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Pro Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Oh, did I spray this before I take off my brows? I feel like that isn't what I do. Are they dry? They're pretty dry. And Christopher writes, I recall you liking the Pro Glow and Pro Mattes from this line. I think you are correct. I do actually like them. All right, so I'm gonna cover up my brows and spray myself, because who doesn't want this makeup set for a long time? For the lips today, we have two different products here. Oh, here's the orange coming back, I knew it. We have the Joe Fresh Universal Lip Liner and Primer, and we have the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Orange County. And he writes here, if a lip liner is universal, it will work with orange, right? Yes. Technically. So this is the liner right here. It is a clear one, and it's just going to, I think, just act as a primer for the lip product so it stays put longer. Whoa! And it just totally broke off. Oh, and it's clear. I can't find it on the floor, guys. Oh no, this could be bad. I found it. Oh, my floor is really dirty. I should probably vacuum. I gotta be honest, guys. I'm having a lot of fun right now. Oh, yes. Bright orange. I don't know why I'm trying to make this so perfect. I'm literally gonna wash this off after this video. Okay, let's see if we can like pull up this brow product yet. How am I supposed to do this? I don't understand. I feel like I have nothing to grip onto. I don't understand how I'm supposed to like peel this off without like ripping out all of my brows. Wow, this does not come off, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I have a little bit. We have a little bit. Oh, this is pretty. So it's coming off in clumps, and it's really, really hard to get any sort of like grip on the product. Oh, and look at that really pretty, like reddy brown shade. Oh my gosh, this is among the worst products I've ever put on my face. Nope, nope, not gonna touch it anymore. I feel like I need to like wash it out of my brows because it's like ripping out my brow hairs. So we're just gonna stay put with these brows right now. And we have what is labeled as the final touch, which I don't know what could possibly be after this. Oh, of course. They are Euler's earrings, everyone. Christopher gave these to me as like a joke. I don't know, when we were first dating, when we went to one of the games together. I called it, guys. You heard me call it. Euler's, I knew it. Oh yay, and I finally get my phone back. So inside where my phone is, it says press play on it. So we're gonna take that off. And what is it? You are so beautiful. Do you like it? How do I look? Awesome. Christopher, I have to wash it off because it's pulling up my brow hairs. So everyone, this is the final look that we ended up with. Wasn't at all what I was expecting, but here we are. I hope you guys found this as entertaining as I found it, and give it a big thumbs up for Christopher, who came up with a whole theme to my makeup look today. Between my daughter and my husband, I feel like I should be playing with more color in my makeup, is what everyone's trying to tell me. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more incredible makeup artistry like this every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and that is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing weekend, and we'll see you guys all on Tuesday. Love you, girls. Mwah!